serak pura kapto ba adma kangi liga kalmo mitak lang le fundraising ra audo del mobilira adra yakyurang rar adma kamadala kamle involved adma kamil mula sebomo mitak makola di del bar dem mitak la kyosin rangola amle bansonga alek ngoram langi ser restaurant ra bitara bli adma ra le restaurant da Thomas Ramasa Moonlight ese all di gurang sa tupak sini take good care of her take good care of her I suppose I ought to say congratulations for you girl I've ever loved, but I hurt too much to face the situation. Just take good care of her, take good care of her, just to be around her was my greatest pleasure. She was everything my future held in store. So remember when you take my only treasure, just take good care